Welcome to today's cooking. I can be making chicken Alfredo lasagna roll-up. It's a really good recipe. I will make it today, right now. And I hope you guys like the recipe I'm creating. I will put the information down below. Please check it all out. It's really good and healthy. I hope you guys love the new recipe. I'm making. I got this recipe off Pinterest. I love Pinterest very much. That's where I get all of my recipes from. Also, I'm gonna make the same recipes on Thursday for my family. So today is I'm gonna learn what I should do for the recipe. I'm gonna stop talking and let's start cooking. 1 box of lasagna, or if you make family of 6 or any kind, or a lot higher than that, cook 2 boxes of lasagna. So lasagna, I'm gonna cook it first because cooking big pot of water, it will take a long time to cook and preheat. Also, I have 1 full chicken of roasted chicken. I got this at the store. So I need 1 cup of chicken, I believe, but or not, I could go back to the store and get me another. Okay, I just finished shredding the chicken. So next time I'm gonna cook this recipe. I'm getting fully cooked one, not a fresh, so it could be a lot more easier to shred on the chicken out. Also, there's some meat, some chicken, tiny bit of chicken left. I'm not gonna mess with that. I got my pot of water with pasta. Is almost cooked. So yeah. Okay, I got my 16-ounce with cheese, up to 2 cups of 16-ounce of cheese. So I have to put it in this bowl. 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, I got my 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I have to put this in this bowl. Also need 1 tablespoon full of Italian seasoning. after I get these things together, get a big spoon, mix it all up. So okay, I got this noodle. I have to get one of the spoonful of chicken and olive season to roll it up. Roll up just like this. And keep on going. So after I roll 10 of the pasta with the mix combo, I have to put it, I have to put in this dish. Before I do that, be sure to get some Alfredo sauce. Pour small amount. Probably just like that. Get anything you would like to spread around. Now put the rolls in here. Okay, now I have to pour all of the sauce all over it. And then after that, get your, actually first is Mozzarella cheese, my bad. Drizzle all the way around. Yeah, you need 2 cups of Mozzarella cheese. And you need 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, which is my favorite for pastas. So you need to preheat the oven at 350 degrees in the oven. After that preheats, put your dish in the oven. Close it, and then you have to wait for 20 minutes or cook it for 20 minutes. And then after that, take it out, make sure it's cooked. If it's not cooked, put it back in the oven for 10 minutes, and then wait for 5 minutes to serve. Okay, I just put the chicken Alfredo lasagna roll-ups. I just put in the oven, is right here. I have to wait for 20 minutes. So in that time, I will clean up my mess, take care of the dishes, and then after that, when it's officially done, I will check it, make sure it's cooked. If it's not cooked, I have to put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. And then after that, I will put it on a plate. I will eat it and I will give you an a nice good review what it tastes like. Alright, sit down. As you get in a plate, get your some food of any kind of drink you would like to drink for your delicious lunch. Also, I will put this in all of the information down below. So.